In today's video, I'll show you how to configure WooCommerce quickly and get your store ready to sell online. First, open WooCommerce, go to Settings and click on the General tab. Add your store address so taxes and shipping can be calculated correctly. Then choose where you want to sell and ship your products. Make sure to enable taxes and coupons if you plan to use them, and set your store's currency so prices display correctly for your customers. Next, head over to the Products tab. Choose your main shop page. Decide if you want to allow product reviews and set measurement units like kilograms or centimeters. Manage your inventory visibility here so shoppers always know what's in stock. Now go to the Tax tab and make sure tax calculations are enabled. Choose whether your prices include tax and decide how they'll be calculated based on billing, shipping, or store address. You can also add standard tax rates for different regions to stay compliant. Open the Shipping tab and create shipping zones. Add methods like flat rate, free shipping, or local pickup and set the costs for each one. If you want to give customers flexibility, enable the option for different billing and shipping addresses. Finally, go to the Payments tab and activate your preferred payment methods. You can set up gateways like PayPal, Stripe, WooPayments, or even offline options like cash on delivery. Follow the setup instructions for each one to link your accounts securely. And that's it. Your WooCommerce store is now fully configured and ready to start selling. Keep your settings updated and you'll be running a smooth, professional online store in no time.